Google Associate Cloud Engineer Practice Tests. MyExamCloud Study Plan. 10 full-length mock exams. 1 free trial exam. Objective and random tests. Take exam in practice or learning mode. Read answers with brief explanations in ebook format. Access course content from mobile app or web browser. 600 plus questions. Questions are grouped based on exam topics. Plan, practice, achieve dashboard. Set goals for your Google Associate Cloud Engineer exam preparation. Set study plan for your Google Associate Cloud Engineer course contents. Practice until you reach your target. Take objective and random tests. Take real exam with more confidence. Join MyExamCloud and take free Google Associate Cloud Engineer practice test now.